Hi everyone, welcome back to our Java classes. So today our topic is about operators. So basically what is operator? The operator is used to perform operations on variables and values. So in the previous class we already discussed what is variable and what is a value. For suppose here I am considering x equals to 10. So here what is variable and what is value? So this x is variable. X is a variable. So then this 10 is a value. Okay, this 10 is value. So I am assigning this 10 to the variable x. So here variable x is storing the value 10. Okay, so variables are nothing but containers. So they store the values. So they vary. Okay, they vary from one place to another place. So here I decided x equals to 100 and I am taking one more variable y equals to 10 or z equals to 20. So they are always varying. So they are variables. Okay. So this is about variables and you know the values, right? Values are constant literals. Numbers comes under values 30, 40, 50, 60. These all comes under values. So what is operator? So operator is used to perform the operations. Then what is operation? What is operation? Operation is nothing but doing something with two or more variables. See here, x equals to 10 plus 20. So what operator I am using to perform this operation? So what operation is going here? X equal to 10 plus 20. That is addition. So this is addition, right? So now what operator I am using? This plus symbol. Okay, this is the addition operator I am using here. So to add two numbers, to together two numbers, we use addition operator, this plus operator. Okay. So see, so there are different types of operators are there. So first of all, the basic are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So these are the types of operators. As of now, we are going to discuss now only arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators we are going to discuss right now. So what is arithmetic operators? So you already know what is operator and what is operation. So see here it is an example. So int x equals to 100 plus 50. So here what operation we are going to do here? Addition operation. Yes or no? Yes, we are going to do here addition operation. So now we are going to discuss all arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are nothing but we see these all things in the calculator, right? See, then first one is plus. So it what it will do? The plus operator will do the addition. Yeah, next one, this minus. This minus operator will do the subtraction. And then next one is this asterisk. So this asterisk will do multiplication, and this division will do the divide the value by the another. So here see one example is given x by y. For suppose x equals to 10 and y equals to 2. So what is x by value? X by y value, that is nothing but 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 2 5s are 10. So here what is our quotient? That is the answer here. Quotient is 5. So the division operator gives the quotient. Okay. So next one, modulus operator. This modulus operator will give the remainder. So here same example, x equals to 10 and y is equals to 2. So just I am changing the operator here, x percentile y. So if I am doing x percentile y, then what will I get? That is, it will calculate the remainder. What is remainder here? 0. So here it will give the output as 0. So this is a major difference between the modulus operator and division operator. So a lot of people confuse it here. Oh, this is x by y. X by y in the sense it will give the quotient here. Whereas x percentile y, it will give the remainder here. So you should know this thing. Then next one, this plus plus operator. Plus plus means two plus symbols. So this will lead to a increment by one value. So if you are doing x equals to 10, then if you are write x plus plus, then it will becomes 11. Okay, clear? So every example I will show in the IDE by doing the practical. Next one, minus minus. This is a decrement operator. So if for suppose x equals to 10, if I put x minus minus x, then x value becomes 9. So it will decrease the one value. So once again I will give conclusion for overall conclusion here. The plus it indicates name is addition, and what is the thing it will do? Adds together two values. Any two values it will going to add. Next, minus subtraction. Subtraction will do what will do? Subtract one value from the another value, that is x minus y. Next, multiplication multiplies two values, so it will give the result of the product. Next, division one value by another, so it is we will throw the quotient. Simply remember this division symbol will throw the result as quotient. Okay. So I will show you in the practical manner. Next, modulus. What the modulus operator throw the output? The output is remainder, x percentile y. It will give the remainder as output. Next, plus plus in the sense increment operator, minus minus decrement. Only one value. Okay, yes here. Increase the value of variable by one and decrease the value of variable by one. Only one thing. So let us move to the coding, right? So we will go to the IDE and we will execute the every operator with an example. Okay, right. Let us move to the uh, IDE. Okay, start. Just move to the Eclipse IDE. Then once the IDE is open, so you need to create a project name, and then after package, and then after class. So this is a hierarchical manner you need to create all the things. So in the previous class already we created the package, project name and class. So as of now just we are going to execute the program. So our first operator is arithmetic operator, that is plus symbol. Okay, addition operator. So just I am going to click on the this our project name, and I'm going to give the right click here. So once I'm going to give the right click here, so then it will display the to create a class. So I need new class. Okay, so just it will going to display when I am click on this. Wait a second. So now we are going now wait. So now we are going to create arithmetic operator class. Okay, and execute one by one practically, right? First, I'm going to create, I go here onto the project and I'm going to click on it, then give the right click on the package, then go to new, then go to new class, click on the class, then the window will pop up. So give your class name. So as I'm giving here arithmetic arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. Our class name is arithmetic operators. Which method stubs would you like to create? Click on the checkbox public static void main, then click on finish. Alright, so it is adding all the things to our stuff. So wait a second. Right, done. So here the program is created. So we need to write the code right now. First, arithmetic operator. So already in the last class I told you how to use the comments. So as of now I am using here first comment as addition operator. Okay, addition operator. So this is about addition operator. First, how to start our program. So in the program a package must be present. Okay, then after class name. So public class here, class name. So what is the class name here? Arithmetic operators. So then after main. So main method is must. Why? Because the program execution starts at the main method. So public static void main. Then after enter into our logic building. So right, I am writing here taking int data type and taking one variable x, and I am assigning one value to the variable x, that is 10. And as according to Java syntax, after every statement we need to keep semicolon, then enter. So next, so int y, I am taking one more variable, and that is int y, and I am assigning one more value, that is 20. And after ending my statement I am giving semicolon. So the two statements are completed. I need to perform addition operator here. Addition operator. So how can I perform here addition operator? That is, so int sum is equals to, I need to store that value, right? So sum is, what is the x and y? Both are values I need to add there. So x plus y. So here x plus y. After ending the statement you need to put the semicolon, then enter. So everything is fine, right? Now the result should be displayed on the output. So what we need to write, so to get a display and to get output on the display, so we need to write printout statement, right? So sys out control space, you will get an system.out.println statement. Then here you should write, we should display sum here, right? Okay, you can write sum in this one, then you will get an output. So this is a program. So just you need to do here one thing, just execute it. So click on the run button, then you will get the output. Okay, see here. So what is the output we are going to expect here? The output is 30. 10 plus 20, what is the output? That is 30. So it is executing. Wait a second. So our output is displayed here. So in the console the output is 30. Okay, clear? So here our addition operator is perfectly executed. So moving to the subtraction operator. Is there any doubt in this addition operator? How to execute an addition operator? There is no doubt, right? So first we are taking one variable and another one more variable we are taking. So and assigning the values to the variables. Then we are storing the result in one more variable, that is sum. Okay. So at last we are going to print that result on the output, result as output. So now we are moving to subtraction operator. Subtraction operator. So what is the subtraction operator? That is minus symbol, right? So now again I want to take two variables, that is x and y. So x equals to uh, I am taking here 30 and y equals to, so here see now, here red mark is reflecting, right? This is here showing that duplicate local variable x. So I need to change now variable x to, I am changing a, oh sorry, a, okay, a. Then after I am going to move to, so now I am taking one more variable, that is int b equals to, into b equals to 10. So now I need to subtract. So what should I do here? A minus b. I should do a minus b. Then I need to store that in one more variable as subtraction, right? Sub is equals to a minus b. A minus b. So a minus b, right? So now I need to put it on the screen, right? On the console. So to put on the console, what should I do? I should do system dot out dot println, right? So SYS control space. Then you will get the output statement. Then in the output statement, you should write the variable, that is sub. So in the sub, what is the value stored? That is a minus b value is stored in the sub. So a minus b is nothing but 30 minus 10. So here, for your understanding purpose, I am writing here, just putting the comments, that is a minus b is nothing but 30 minus 10, 30 minus 10, that is equals to 20. So our output is what? Our output must be 20. So we will check it, so whether the output is 20 or not. So just give the right click and then run as Java application. Okay, this is the how we are going to execute. See that output is, second output is sub, right? So the second output is 20. Yes, right? So this is the first output. The first output is 30, right? So that is 10 plus, sorry, 10 plus 20. When 10 plus 20 is equals to 30, right? So that is the first output. So now second operator also completed. Now we are going to move third operator. What is the third operator we discussed? That is multiplication. Multiplication operator. So in the multiplication operator, what we are going to do here? Just multiplying the two values. So I am taking int a equals to, so a we can't use. Why? Because already it is in use, right? So I am using q equals to 2 and int r is equals to. So actually this is a not best practice, but as you are a beginner, I am, for your clear understanding, I am using the variable declaration in this manner. Okay. So r is equals to 4. So right, the two statements are declared. So now I need to multiply the two things. So I am storing the two things in one more variable, that is multiply, multi. Okay. So multi is equals to q into r, right? Q into r. So I need to put it on the screen, that it means I have put it on the console. So just I am going to write. So if you write in the print statement multi, okay, it's perfect. Multi, then what is our output? So you can estimate the output as, that is 2 into 4. sorry, 2 into 2 into 4, that is equals to 8. So our output will be 8. We will check it whether our output is 8 or not. So just click on the run button, then it will give out output. See that the third output is 8. Yes or no? Yes. So your third print statement, this is first, second, third. Third print statement is 8. So this is about multiplication operator. Next and foremost important thing is division operator. So lot of people confuse here division and modulus operator. So first of all, we are going to learn with the division operator. So I am taking two values, int t equals to 30 and int y equals, sorry, s equals to 2. So here t variable, t value is 30 and s value is 2. I am doing t by s, that is nothing but 30 by 2. So int t by s, t by s. So here it is showing an error. What is showing an error? Why? Because here we will see what is went wrong. Multiple markers taken in this line. So syntax error. Okay. So see here, int, we have to store that in one variable, right? So I am taking that as int div. Okay, int div equals to t by s. So now div equal to t by s. So just put it on the screen. We need to use this sysout control space. So then I am writing here div. So what will be the output here? So our output will be 30 by 30 divided by 2. So what is the result? 30 divided by 2 in a sense, that is 15. So it will throw the quotient as the output. Quotient as the output. The see where will what will throw it. So just what will give the output. We will see it. See here, our fourth output is 15, right? So what it is giving? It is giving the quotient as an output. So now we are moving to modulus operator. So this is most important thing, modulus operator. So I am taking as a v equals to 30 and n equals to n is equals to 2. Okay, so same example, but I changes the variables. Okay, so here duplicate v, so we need to remove duplicate and I am giving v here. So now I am going to do what I am going to do here. Now I am going to do v modulus n. Okay, I am going to do v modulus n, right? So for your understanding purpose, I am writing comment here as this is modulus, a modulus operator. This is modulus operator. So now, so I want to store in one thing, that is modulus mod is equals to v by n, v by n. Okay, so then mod int mod equals to v by n. So it is not right. V by n we don't use here. V modulus. So V modulus. Okay, V modulus in the sense, see here. So now V modulus. Sorry, wait a second. Sorry, it went wrong. So we need to move to the IDE, right? So where is our IDE? Here. Our IDE is right. So now we are going to do modulus operator. So I am taking two variables. I am doing the modulus operation over there. So it is see now int mod v modulus n. So what is the output we are going to expect here? The output is 30 modulo n. 30 modulo, sorry, 30 modulo 2. So the output is 0. So why? Because it will give the output is remainder. It will throw the output as remainder. Okay, see now we will check it. So sys out. So I am going to write the variable mod I need to print out. So just I am going to execute this one. So what we will get, see. So see now here this one is a 0, right? This is a modulus output. Yes or no? Yes. I hope you clearly understood this all four things here. Four, not five things. That is, first one is addition operator. Next one is subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, and modulus operator. So now we are going to use, that is, increment and decrement operator. Okay. First of all, I will go with the increment operator. Increment operator. So increment operator. So choose one variable and assign one value. I am choosing here variable as m equals to 100, comma, and I am going to increment it. So plus m. Okay. Now I need the output. What it will do? Just write the output statement. So just write the output statement and write the value. What is the value we need to print out? M, right? So just see here, just I am written one value and assigned variable, assigned value to the variable, and I am written plus m. So system not out dot println m. So what it will display on the screen we will see now. So see now here it is incremented by 1. So the value is 100, m is equal to 100 initially, but it is incremented to 101. So the increment operator is going to use increment the value. Next we will try in the reverse manner, that is int int c equals to, sorry, we already used this operator. Int p equals to, it is also used, right? Int l equals to 100 and l minus l plus plus we will use l plus plus. So let us see what will happen here. Yes, sys out control space, then I'm going to print my l output. So just execute it. So what is going to done? See, both are same. Plus m or l plus plus, both are same. So no need to confuse here. Both are same, right? So now, so next one, we are going to do the decrement operator. Decrement operator. Decrement operator, right? Okay. So what is decrement operator here? The decrement operator is going to decrease by one value, right? So now see that. So I am taking one variable int dic equals to, first I am taking 100 and I am going to decrease that value. Oh, that means minus minus as dic. Yeah. Now we are going to see what will happen here. So just SYSOUT, right? Then write a variable name. So just execute it. What is our output? The output is we can estimate our output as 99. Yes. See now we are going to check it. See this one. Last output is 99, right? So what is the decrement operator you are doing? Decrement operator is going to decrease the value by 1. If you are taking 100, it decrements, it decreases by the value 1, that leads to 99. If you take the value 99, it will make it 98. So that is the purpose of the decrement value, right? So I clearly explain all the arithmetic operators with a clear explanation. So with all live examples, right? So I hope you understood the class. We will see in the next class, that is our arithmetic operators are completed right here. So I'm going to see you with the next class, assignment operators. Okay. Thank you for watching. So just we have to complete it.